When COVID hit, the building did not break. The lights didn't go out. The clocks didn't stop. But the paychecks did not come.
Each day is more haunting than the last.
Hey Chris, come and look at it.
Blue is a normal color.
Not under the cult rules.
Oh no. You mean those rules?
Yep. The no choices rule.
Rebellion detected.
Good. In my office, it's my rules. It's my blue sticky note. On the sticky note, I drew a cartoon chainsaw. I call it Blue Card with a Chainsaw. She's really gonna hate us.